Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
You must can send me some money for buy a phone.
When? Let me check my phone, man.
You must can send me some money to buy a phone. Chris. Tanya send me money only for time. I 2 days ago she send me money.
I go on Chris Biscuit.
2 days ago she send me money. I'm gonna take the money and buy hot and buy grocery for my house. Cause me didn't want food to eat. So she send me money. See me I wave to everybody there. I yet still nobody. You see it? Stop calling me name. Biscuit. English. Send me some pound. So you stay. You love watch out my live and you know it's you. I saw you go on. You don't love me. You know no love for me.
Biscuit.
You know no love for me. Me need 60 euro. The Western Union, the MoneyGram open 24 hours. Just send me the confirmation to my WhatsApp or the Instagram. Griffith, send a confirmation to my WhatsApp or my Instagram. I'm gonna get the phone right now. Big one thing, I need a phone. Can't take that phone here. Now get rid of it. I have half of the money already. See it here? See it here?
Somebody asked how much is 60 euro in pound.
How much money? Well, I'm gonna check the money and tell you. Me need a phone bad. I have 90 euro. 160 euro for the phone, but I can buy it for 160. More than 20 I want over here. But I must can make up the money. I make me buy a phone, and if you don't love me. If you don't love me, tonight I go show me say none of them like me. So I know what to do. I know things hard for everybody. I know, but I need a phone. Elena, what's up? What's up, pretty girl? What's up? €60 fee. How much that in a pound? At around £55, £50. Some WhatsApp number there. My full name down at the bottom.
Don't know what to eat on a Friday.
I get the phone now, I'm sure now. What is this?
I No, me I say I don't know what to eat. Tired of everything.
You know,
Today I Friday, I'm not cook.
I know I saw it go sometime. Today on Friday, people don't really cook on Friday still, baby. People don't really cook on Friday. The Western Union open 24 hours. 24 hours. On the MoneyGram, 24 hours. Chris Biscuit, you know, get me the phone. Text me a friend. Me text you love me as a friend. Eh? Obama, me a friend from long time. You can't send me some money to buy a phone. Want a phone. Bad. I can't deal with so boy, I tell you now. Now I know who love me from who not love me. Like Chris say, here there, and I laugh out loud. You see you? Serbia. Serbia me there. Just put Serbia when you send it. Serbia, you don't have to put no address. Just put Serbia. I'm right, Serbia, make you see. See there? Wait, hold on. Serbia. Mumsel, walk on. See there? Serbia, I'm going to pin it. Hugo, big. Embarrassing. This is embarrassing myself. Eh? Elizabeth, I embarrass myself. I say I want a phone. What happened to Grace? Grace there in Nigeria.
She alright, you know, Chris. She asleep.
Grace there in Nigeria. Grace could have buy me the phone. She buy me the phone. Elizabeth, you know if you go on, so. If you buy me the phone, you buy me the phone. You make me buy the phone. Chris Biscuit, go on where you go, because so you stay. If you send me 20 pounds, you can't send me 20 pounds. And you watch out my life. You don't love me. Check say me a friend. Check say me a friend. Dina them use. Dina. It's a very cold country, you know. You give me nothing, sir. We work hard. Clean pool. You clean pool? Alright. Tanya? Elena, come from the live. Me not give you what? Just go use ID phone. You have my phone now work. Just stop showing liberty for me and just contribute towards the phone. Remember go call it